And here we observe the middle schooler in his natural habitat, the cafeteria. Notice how he circles the pizza line like a lion stalking its prey before retreating with a single chocolate milk. Ah yes, the office worker. Watch as he bravely attempts to print his report. He presses the button once, twice, thrice, and still the ancient machine refuses. Truly a heartbreaking ritual of modern survival. Behold, the suburban father, cornered in the wild jungle of Saturday morning soccer. Though exhausted, he calls out encouragements. Run faster, Timmy, while silently questioning all of his life choices. Observe the shopper in the great migration to Target. She arrives for one single item, toothpaste. Hours later, she emerges, dazed, with $217 worth of scented candles and throw pillows. Fascinating. And now we witness a most delicate ritual, the microwaving of popcorn. At first, the kernels lie dormant, silent. But as the heat rises, chaos ensues. They burst forth in a cacophony of pops until, inevitably, one poor kernel remains, unpopped, a tragic casualty of nature's cruel design. And so our journey ends. The humans retreat to their dens, their phones, their snacks, until the cycle begins anew tomorrow. Nature is truly ridiculous.